In this video, I will be showing you how you can change the password of your Webmail account in Hostinger. So let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. I have only one domain in my hosting account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain, select the domain in which the webmail is associated. We need to click the Manage button. Next, we need to click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, we need to click the Mailboxes tab on the left side of this page. Here we can see that only one webmail account has been created. To change the password of the webmail account, we will need to click the three-dotted More option. From the drop-down list, we will need to select the Change Password option. In this pop-up window, we will need to enter the new password for the webmail account and update the password change. And that's it. The password for the webmail account has been changed. With this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.